Hello guys, this video will show you how to display Winrar when uncompressed without displaying it when you right-click on Windows 11. When you have a file or folder that you want to uncompress, but when you right-click it, it doesn't show any solutions. Even if you choose the Show More option. To show how to uncompress when you right-click the folder you want to uncompress, do the following. You open the Windows Explorer folder. Then select this PC, and then select the C drive to install the Winrar. Next, you go to the Program Files, find the Winrar folder, and open it. In this Winrar directory, you find the Winrar file, then click double to open it. In this folder, you click Select an option, then click Select on Setting. In this setting window, you select Integration. Then tick select all three cells at Shell Integration. And select OK. It will display a notification, and you can choose Yes. Exit the recheck. It already shows the decompression options when you right-click the folder to decompress. If you don't show it, you'll show it. How to install, compress, and uncompress is the same as in Windows 10. You can watch the tutorial video in the description of the video. So I've taught you how to display Winrar when you right-click the folder when you need to uncompress it on Windows 11. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hello, and see you again.